welcome to Akriti's Fashion Confession. Today we're talking about some really nice and healthy snacks which are good for you to snack on. Usually problem वहाँ नहीं आती है जब हम खाना खाते हैं, because you know the 3-time meal, the 3-course meal, we're always concerned that what we're eating, what we're not eating, be it high protein, low carbs, high fiber and stuff like that. But the problem arises when it comes to the in-between eating and snacking. What happens is that we're too lazy to cook for something and whatever is available outside हम वो जाके खा लेते हैं, and that is what creates a problem. और जो आपने 3 टाइम की इतनी मेहनत से मील बनाई होती है, which is like high protein and stuff, वो खराब हो जाती है, and then you put on weight and you do not reduce, and you say that it is so difficult to reduce weight. It is actually not very difficult. The only trick is to eat in between meals. It's just eating and eating. Yes, you can reduce weight by eating. I am doing that. I'm eating 24/7 and I'm losing weight. हम आज बात कर रहे हैं healthy snacking के ऊपर, and I think the healthiest snack is this. Now you'll wonder what is this. This is makhana, lotus seeds they call it. इसके अंदर this is very high in protein. Also this thing is fulfilling. So one fistful of makhanas can actually fulfill your need for hunger. It is not also high in calories. It only gives you like good fats, proteins, actually very high proteins. So it fulfills you. Also it is spongy, so it soaks the water of your body. So if you have a problem of water retention, maybe this can help you. And इससे आपका seriously जो water intake of the body, I mean the water which is there in your body, just say you feel bloated, that will reduce. So I think this is a very good option to snack on. You can snack on almonds. They're like really good when it comes to eating healthy food. Or cashew nuts, like not too much, but yeah, little cashew nuts. Apricots are too good. Walnuts are really good, and they not only fulfills you, but also they have other nutritional values. Like almonds से आपकी बुद्धि बढ़ती है, walnuts से आपकी skin अच्छी होती है, so all these things are really nice for your health. And if you wanna snack on to something healthy like this instead of eating something crappy like chips or puffed rice. इसे वैसे हम लोग मुरमुरा बोलते हैं, पता नहीं इंग्लिश में शायद पफ्ड राइस बोलते होंगे, बट दिस आई थिंक यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दिस इज. इसको तुम जितना चाहे उतना चटपटा बना सकते हो, एंड द बेस्ट थिंग इज यू कैन ऑल्सो ईट इट विद वेजीज. सो ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज टेक सम पफ्ड राइस, squeeze some lemon because lemon is a fat cutter, put a lot of black pepper because it's spicy and healthy, put oregano, put chili flakes if you really want to eat something spicy, and after that you can also add some chili sauce. Yeah, I mean it's a lot of chili, and you can put some black salt if you want some salt intake, and उसके बाद आप उसमें onions, tomatoes and बहुत सारा सब्जियाँ सब काट सकते हो, मिर्ची भी काट सकते हो, जो आपको करना है वो सब काट कूट के मेक अ नाइस मिक्सचर एंड चाट बना के खा लो. ऑल्सो द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ दिस पफ्ड राइस, दिस मुरमुरा इज दैट ये खाने से भी आपके बॉडी का जो वाटर रिटेंशन है वो कम होता है, बिकॉज दिस इज ऑल्सो समथिंग विच सक्स ऑन टू वाटर बिकॉज इट इज वेरी स्पंजी. ऑल्सो वेन यूर फीलिंग लो ऑन एनर्जी एंड शुगर, बनाना इज समथिंग दैट यू शुड ईट बिकॉज इट हैज नेचुरल शुगर. ऑल्सो इट इज good for digestion. Also it is also naturally packed, so you can just carry it anywhere. Cheaply available. 5 रुपए में एक बनाना मिलता है, तो अगर आपको भूख लगती है आप एक बनाना खा लो, you are done and sorted. So that is something which you can do. Also if you're looking to put on weight, banana is a fabulous thing. And if you're hungry, just eat 2-3 bananas when you're snacking on in between, because that will actually help you put on weight. 1 banana is enough if you're looking for reducing weight. Also to put on, आप चीकू खा सकते हो, because चीकू is really healthy when it comes to putting on weight. That's got a lot of sugar, natural though, but yeah, it is also fattening. So if you're looking for weight loss, don't eat chikus and bananas like too much. 1 banana is fine, but if you're looking for putting on, you can eat a lot of chikus and dates and bananas because they're good. What is good to snack on is dark chocolates. So who likes chocolates? I love chocolates. I'm like a chocolate fan. But to reduce weight, dark chocolate is something that you should opt for, because dark chocolates are known for cutting down your fat, and also it is natural, so you know it is a little more bitter than the regular milk chocolates. So आप एक छोटा पीस खाओगे उससे you will feel content, and it is also helpful in weight loss. So you know, if you eat dark chocolate over a period of time, you actually tends to reduce weight. So it's replace your chocolates with dark chocolate. बट ये जालिम जीभ मानती नहीं है, और इसको मनाने के लिए मैं हेल्दी और टेस्टी स्नैक्स लेके आई हूँ, विच यू कैन एक्चुअली ईट एंड स्टे हेल्दी एट द सेम टाइम.